Tired of your Redmi Note 13 running slow? Here are quick tips to speed it up. First up, check for overheating. Avoid using your phone while it's charging and reduce the screen brightness. This can help keep things cool and running smoothly. Next, disable power-intensive apps. Turn off Bluetooth, NFC, and other apps that drain your battery. Less drain means more speed. Now let's disable the virtual RAM extension. Sometimes this feature can slow down your apps. Go ahead and restart your phone after doing this. Having trouble with your camera or gallery app? Try using alternatives from the Google Play Store. They can often perform better and faster. Lastly, optimize your battery settings. Switch on battery saver mode to restrict power-consuming features. You can also enable speed-up charging for a quick boost. And there you have it. Quick and simple fixes to speed up your Redmi Note 13. Give these tips a try and enjoy a smoother experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips.